Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices so the app can find each other. Connect your phone and the TV to the same Wi-Fi network, then open Xcast on both devices. Once done, make sure the TV's casting or network permissions are enabled so Xcast can detect it. This avoids pairing delays. If the TV shows a pairing code, note it. This first step gets you straight into device discovery without wasting time on irrelevant settings. You now connect and configure the stream. From Xcast on your phone, pick the TV shown in the device list, tap it and wait for the confirmation tone or icon. Next, choose whether to mirror your screen or cast media, and select resolution and audio output to match the TV. Higher resolution uses more bandwidth. Once connected, grant any requested permissions for local network and media access so playback is smooth and the app can control volume and seek. You finish by starting playback and monitoring performance. Tap play in Xcast, then use the app's pause, seek, and volume controls while watching the TV. If video stutters or lags, make sure devices are closer or lower the resolution. This reduces bandwidth strain. If the TV drops from the list, restart the app and repair, and check the router or firewall for blocked local traffic. One key troubleshoot. Reboot the TV and phone before deep.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.